everybody! I'm here today with a simple driving lesson on turning from a one-way street onto a one-way street. So in this video driving lesson, I'll be going over the basic steps for turning from a one-way onto a one-way. Let's get right into it. I'm going to explain it first, then I'll demonstrate in this relatively empty parking lot what you would be doing in a hypothetical situation like this. It's important to know for the driving test and for regular driving. So let's get right into it. Essentially, you have two parts. You have when you are on the first one-way street, and then you have when you have turned onto the second one-way street, okay? Now, essentially, on the first one-way street, you want to move either towards the side or into the lane closest to the way that you're turning. So if I'm turning right, I'm either going to move towards the right side if there's no lanes on the one-way street, or into the right lane if there are lanes on the one-way street, okay? If I'm turning left, I'm going to move towards the left or into the left lane, depending on if there's one lane or two lanes, okay? If there's like one big road without lane lines or a lane line where there's two lanes, okay? Now, essentially, that's before. That's when you're on the first one-way street. And then obviously if there's a stop sign, you got to stop. Obviously, if there's no stop sign, you might have to stop anyways, or you might be able to proceed depending on who has the right of way and whether or not you have to yield. You also have to do your signal, your mirror checks, your blind spot check, and so forth. That's the same as switching lanes and turning all the time, okay? Now, the second part is when you're on the new one-way street. If you're turning right, you're going to turn onto the right side or into the right lane of the new one-way street. If you're turning left, you're going to turn onto the left side or into the left lane of the new one-way street, okay? So let's get right into it. I'm going to demonstrate. This is not going to be a long video. It's going to be relatively short and sweet. We're going to start off by pretending that we're making a right-hand turn from a one-way street onto a one-way street. And when I say on the right, I mean you either move towards the right of that road or you get into the complete right lane. Depending on if there's, if there's no lanes, you're going to move towards the right. If there are lanes, you're going to move into the right lane. Okay? So we're going to be driving over here. Now, I am going to be making a right from a one-way street onto a one-way street. So I'm going to signal, I'm approaching the stop sign, I'm towards the right of the road. Let's pretend that there's no lanes on this street. Come to a complete stop, do my mirror checks, do my blind spot check. Now when I turn right, I'm turning into the right lane or on the right side of this new street. So right now, I'm actually in the right lane of this new one-way street. So that's if I'm making a right turn, okay? You're going to turn from the right into the right. Basically, that's as simple as that. Okay, now let's say I'm making a left. I'm gonna put my left signal on. I'm moving into the left lane, let's say, of this one-way street. Come to a complete stop, because let's imagine there's a stop sign. Checking my mirrors, checking my blind spot, and now I'm gonna turn into the left lane of this new one-way street. And then you want to move into the right lane as soon as you can. That's a rule of thumb when you're driving on a one-way street. You're going to move into the right lane. You're going to drive in the right lane unless you're making a left. Okay? So in that situation, I turned from the left side of this one-way street, okay, from the left lane into the left lane of this one-way street. And that's basically it. Essentially, if you're making a right, you're turning from the right into the right. If you're making a left, you're turning from the left into the left. And all of the other regular turning and lane change stuff stay the same, like stop signs. You have to stop, obviously. No stop sign means that you might have to stop still, but you got to judge that yourself depending on the situation. You got to signal, you got to check your mirrors, you got to check your blind spot, and so forth. All of that remains the same. And that's it. In this video driving lesson, I have gone over the basics of turning from a one-way street onto a one-way street. I tried to keep it short and sweet because really this doesn't happen often, but it does happen sometimes. So you should know how to do it, but it's not like an unbelievably large, long lesson, okay? And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.